Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Tushar from Canada PR Info. In this video, I will talk about Yukon application process or steps. I will explain you the detailed steps about how to apply in Yukon Community Program. Okay, so let's begin. The first step is that the apply for the job offers. So as we discussed in the previous video, you need to find 2 to 3 eligible job offers in one of the participating communities. And to find the valid job offer, you must visit the official website of Government of Yukon and the Job Bank, which is a job portal operated by the Government of Canada. Okay, now let's see the Yukon Job Portal. So this is the official website in which you will find the various jobs related to your field. For example, this job is for the executive assistant. This is for licensed practical nurse. This is for the project officer, and this is for the IT support technician. So as you can see, the most of the jobs are in the Whitehorse participating community because it is a capital of Yukon territory. So you need to apply for a relevant job and convince the employer to give you the job. Once employer is ready to give you the job, then the employer and foreign worker means you need to complete all the required forms. After that, the employer submits a complete application along with all the forms and documents. So here I want to clear that only Yukon business owners or employers can apply to Yukon Community Program. You should not do anything at this stage. So if your employer is approved, your information is reviewed. And if foreign worker means your application is approved, you become a territorial nominee. Upon approval of an application, the foreign worker obtains the nominee status and the nomination information is sent to the IRCC. As a territorial nominee, the 2 letters will be provided from the Immigration Unit Economic Development Yukon. One letter is in the support of an application for a temporary work permit which allows you to start working with an employer immediately once your work permit application is approved. And the second letter is to support your permanent residency file, and it is to be included with the application for the permanent residence and informs the IRCC that you have been accepted in Yukon Nominee Program. So your temporary work permit application and your PR application will be processed simultaneously. Okay, now the step number 3 is that apply for the work permit and permanent residency. The nominee means you should submit the complete application for a temporary work permit as well as the application for the permanent residency to the IRCC. And you can work with an employer under temporary work permit while your permanent residency file is in process. And to get Canada PR, you need to pass the various admissibility factors such as the security, health and criminality. And once your file is approved, you become a resident of Canada. Okay, so this is the application process and steps that you should follow when you apply in Yukon Community Program. Okay, now in this video, I have explained the reality about Yukon Community Program. I have explained the positive sides, the benefits about Yukon Community Program, as well as I have also tried to explain the reality about job market, the types of jobs in demand in Yukon territory, the temperature or weather issues, the impact of less population on job market in Yukon. Okay, and guys, this is a disclaimer for you. Recently the government of Yukon published an article about the incorrect information about Yukon Community Program on YouTube and provided the quick facts and latest updates, which is explained in detail in this video. So you can watch it if you are interested. So I strongly recommend that do your own research and be clear before you apply. Do not rely on any kind of video or mediator, not even on this video. So find the correct and accurate information so you do not fall in the trap of anyone. Okay, and in this video I have explained about Yukon Community Program, its eligibility criteria, the job offer requirements and advantages such as no LMIA, no proof of funds, no age limit, etc. So you can watch it if you are interested. And still, if you have any queries, you can write it in the comment section of this video. And please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Canada PR Info to receive the latest updates and videos about Yukon Community Program. And please click on the like button if you like the video. Thank you, best wishes.